Well, okay.
The preparations are ongoing. I'm sure before midnight, this venue will be set at all levels.
Are there any challenges associated with the venue as it is now?
Well, there is none. You know, PDP is a well-established party. For congresses and convention, we have our well-laid-out templates that we follow. The main committee established subcommittees and gave out mandates and responsibilities, and also defined a point of interface for all subcommittees to work together. And we have been doing that. It's going to be seamless. Every subcommittee knows what to do at any particular time. And where you have linkages in terms of activities, such areas are also being taken care of. We are ready as a party. This is what we do all the time. And there are lots of improvement this time because of the reforms my colleagues and I brought about in the party, this National Working Committee, especially in the area of accreditation. We have introduced technology. It's going to be technology and integrity based, and tomorrow we'll put it to test. And I'm sure going forward, what perhaps the National Assembly is running away from, which is technology in terms of voting, as a party, we have introduced it and it will become part of our activities. From there, we move forward.
With what you're saying, it's very clear and evident that PDP is ready and prepared. And with the look of things, you might be surprised in the usual PDP way, tomorrow will turn out to also be a carnival, because we have worked over time, we've worked day and night to ensure that we have a seamless, hitch-free, rancor-free convention tomorrow.